We turn now to the Donald Trump criminal hush money trial, where Stormy Daniels has resumed her testimony. There's a lot going on in there. Let's bring in NBC News correspondent Vaughn Hilliard, who is live outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. Also with us, former assistant district attorney in Manhattan and NBC News legal analyst Catherine Christian, and state attorney for Palm Beach County, Florida, Dave Aronberg. Vaughn, let's start with you. What's happening inside the courtroom now? And I understand Trump has brought someone along with him to be in court with him today.
Hey, good morning, Mika. He has brought along a Florida Senator, Rick Scott. This is sort of the question mark for Donald Trump. Who is going to come out here in defense of him during these proceedings? We saw the likes of Dave McIntosh for Club for Growth, Ken Paxton, the Texas Attorney General last week. But now you're seeing an elected figure from Washington here with Donald Trump flying in with him from Florida to attend here this appearance here. And let's face this, he is going to be sitting in a courtroom while Stormy Daniels talks about her alleged affair with Donald Trump. And so we will wait to see whether we actually get questions of the Florida senator or not. But this is day 2 of testimony from Stormy Daniels. And so far, we have not heard any questioning of Stormy Daniels about her story about the alleged one-night stand with Donald Trump, the sexual encounter in 2006. Instead, there is focus on Tuesday afternoon about that 2011 parking lot incident in which Stormy Daniels says that an unknown man threatened her and her daughter. And you saw Susan Necheles, the attorney for Donald Trump, try to question discrepancies over her story and explicitly called into question of whether she was telling the truth or completely made up the story. Right now, here in the first 10 minutes of court this morning, Susan Necheles, Donald Trump's attorney, is questioning her over the events of October 2016 and why she ultimately decided to sign the non-disclosure agreement with Donald Trump. We heard Susan Necheles accuse her of extortion of Donald Trump already. This is playing out in front of the jury. But for Donald Trump, when he entered the courtroom this morning, he said he expected to hear interesting things. Those were the words of him. Of course, after cross-examination wraps, the prosecution will have the chance to question Stormy Daniels again on redirect, Mika.